So as I was saying, the question is ¿Qué hora es? And then 1 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock, es la una. If it's from 2 o'clock going, we do son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco, son las. Okay?
Okay.
So now if it's two, let's do this one first. If it's 2:30, then we're going to say son las 2:30. So media is like half of the time or half of the clock. Does that make sense?
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, so son las 2:30. It's 5 o'clock. Son las 5:30. I mean, it's 5:30. Sorry.
5:30.
Yeah, so son las 5:30. So what if it's 3:30?
So that would be son las 3:30.
That's right. Son las 3:30. Son las 3:30. That's correct. So we have that. What if it's 6:30? 6:30.
Son las 6:30.
Muy bien, son las 6:30. That was quick. You're learning quick. You can also say son las 3:30 because now 30 minutos. Does that make sense? So we learned, so it's 30. You can do the 30 literally and do son las 6:30. That also works. Or son las
Oh,
3:30. They all work.
okay.
Now we come to this. If it's 15. Son las dos, for example, 2:15. Son las 2:15. Cuarto is more like quarter. So here we
Oh,
have half, media, cuarto, which is quarter.
okay.
Cuarto is different from cuatro. Cuatro is four. Cuarto is quarter. Okay, cota. Me encanta.
Okay.
Gana. Gana like cota. Hannah, bienvenida. Class P, I didn't receive the assignment. Oh.
Yes, so only three people have sent it. That's why I've not
Yeah,
submitted
you
it
you send them to me because some people sent it to me privately. I wanted to say
directly.
it on the I want to say on the page that I mean today that from now they should send it to you first, not to me.
Okay,
Great.
sure. I'll forward it to you.
All right. Great. So now we are at 2:15. So the E over there means end. Okay, end. So it's like you were saying, it's 2:15. Okay, so 2:50 is 2:15. 2:15. Son las 2:15. Son 5:15. It's 5:15. Son las 5:15. Make sense?
Yes.
So what if it's 7:15?
Son las 7:15.
Muy bien. Son las 7:15. Son las 7:15. Ahora, now what's going to happen is that if it's 2:45, we're going to subtract that. It's like we're doing math. You even in Spanish, we're doing math. So what happens is that what is going to happen is that we're more or less going to subtract the time. So the men now instead of having y cuarto, we're now having menos cuarto for 2:45. So now we're going to do 3 minus the quarter. That gives us 2:45. Does that make sense or it's confusing?
Uh, Understand? Instead of saying quarter to, they are rather
Yes.
subtract.
Yes. So instead of saying, so yeah, they are quarter to three. So quarter to three, they are saying 3 minus quarter.
Okay.
Ajá. So we will now do it. Son las 3 menos cuarto.
Okay.
Okay. Can you repeat that? Can you all repeat that? Son las 3 menos cuarto.
Son las 3:04.
Okay. Cuarto. So this is cuarto.
Cuarto. Okay. Cuarto.
Cuarto. Muy bien. Hey, Hannah, I'm not hearing your voice. Son las 6 menos cuarto.
Son las 6:04.
Muy bien.
Cuarto. Yeah.
Cuarto. Okay. So let's do an activity and then let's see. So I'm going to put it anywhere and then you tell us the time. Mm, Okay. ¿Qué hora es? Nicholas, ¿qué hora es? Hey, can you see the screen?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
The big clock.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, ¿qué hora es?
Okay. Son
Son
las.
las,
Okay, please go ahead.
son las tres. Okay, no, you say yours.
Son las 2:30.
Muy bien, son las 2:30. Son las
Y
2:30.
media. Y media.
Muy bien. Ahora, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 3:04.
Muy bien, son las 3:15. Muy bien, muy bien. You are catching it. You are catching the spirit. Okay. Let's do this. Hannah, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 6:30.
Are you sure? Look at the time. The time is in the middle. Look at the time. 1:30 a.m.
Eh, so- son las 1:30.
Very well done. You're close. So what happened is that before, I don't know whether you met us doing that, but we
I think
said,
she was not.
yeah, she wasn't here. So
I'll
for
do
1
that.
o'clock, we do es la una. Okay. 1 o'clock,
Es
we
la
do es la
una.
una. But for the rest, we do son las. But just for 1 o'clock, we
Mm,
do es la una. Okay. So let's come back again. ¿Qué hora es?
es la una.
Hmm?
Oh, I forgot. Es
Y
la
media.
1:30.
Y media.
Mm,
Y media. So the half of the time is so. Let me show you this. Okay. So
Okay.
as you can see right here, I don't know whether that's the same screen you're seeing. There's another big clock. The ¿qué hora es? ¿Tienes hora? Do you see that one?
Let me see.
Yes.
Let me make sure you're seeing the right screen. Bien. Entonces acá lo que tenemos, ustedes pueden ver, so we have son las 12, 12 o'clock. En punto, mostly when we add en punto, we mean on the dot. So you can say es la una en punto. It's 1 o'clock on the dot. Okay?
Okay.
So now we have inside the circle, we are seeing the hour hand. So we can see, Hannah, are you watching? So we can see es la una. It's the only one that is highlighted because that's the only distinction. Apart from that, the rest are son las. So we have es la una, son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco, son las seis, son las siete, son las ocho, son las nueve, son las 10, son las 11, son las 12. Okay. Then at the right hand side of the first half, we see y cinco, y 10, y cuarto, y 20, y 25, y media. So the right hand, they're just adding. Then the left part, they're just subtracting. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I want to say it's 1:55, then I'm going to say son las dos menos cinco. Because I'm doing the 2 o'clock, then I'm subtracting the 5 minutes to, so it's like 5 minutes to 2.
Okay.
Mm,
Make sense?
Yes.
Great.
yes.
Yes,
Okay.
just a bit confusing for them.
Yeah, it gets a bit confusing. It was confusing for me as well when I had to learn it like for the first time. Then, hey, why is this a different screen? Because this is not what I pulled up. And why it has something different? It should be telling time. Okay. So we're going to check this out.
La una en punto.
Okay. La una en punto.
One on the dot.
Okay, so what time is this? ¿Qué hora es? Anyone? Anyone?
Mm,
¿Qué hora es?
Son las
Sí,
Las 12.
son las dos. Son las dos. En punto is
okay.
like on the dot. Okay, son las dos. Muy bien.
Okay.
¿Qué hora es?
Son
¿Qué
las
hora
tres
es? Muy
en
bien,
punto.
son las 3. Son las 3.
Las 3 en punto.
Son las 3. Okay, so I think it's just repeating, but it's easy peasy. Yeah. Ahora vamos a ver esto, esta actividad también, no sé qué es. Okay, so we're going to listen to a song, and then we're going to try and hear what they're singing in the song, okay? Ready? ¿Listos? Can I
Yes.
begin? Okay.
Eran las 5 de la mañana. Un seminarista, un obrero, con mis papeles de solvencia, que no le dan para resistir. No,
Did you hear the time?
No, it's not clear.
It's not clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you seeing the screen though?
Yes,
Yeah,
please.
I'm seeing the
And the
screen,
sound
but
is not
the
clear.
voice is not clear.
Okay, I'm playing it again. If not, well, we have to move on. Pues no tenemos tiempo, tenemos mucho. We are behind schedule. Okay, please let's listen attentively. The time that they say comes at the just at the beginning, so please listen.
eran las 5 de la mañana. Un seminarista, un obrero, con mis papeles de solvencia, que no le dan para resistir. No,
Did anyone hear?
You can hear the first one. Las 5 de la mañana.
So what
But
time
the
is
rest,
it? We have here
las,
possible answers. Las 5 de la mañana, las 8 de la mañana, las 3 de la mañana.
las 5 de la mañana.
Sí, las 5 de la mañana. Las 5 de la mañana. Okay. There's the song. Vamos a ver el siguiente.
me llamó a las 6 horas española, solo para hablar, solo se sentía sola por...
Did you hear the time?
No, can you play it again?
Me llamó a las 6 horas española, solo para hablar, solo se sentía sola por...
No one heard? Okay, I'm going to send this activity to you so that you can be playing and then listening and trying to do it on your own at
Okay.
home. Ok, continuamos. Okay. So if you're not asking for time, what time something happens, okay? So that one we say a qué hora? A qué hora? So the first one we said, if you want to know the time, was how do we ask?
¿A qué hora es?
Okay, you're very close. So the first one is if you're asking you right now, what is the time? The question is, ¿qué hora es? Okay.
Horas.
That one I'm asking you right now. If you check your watch, what is the time? Or if you check your phone, what says the time? ¿Qué hora es? Do we get that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now we are coming to if you want to ask for the time that something is happening, like a program, a class, a party. So that one we ask a qué hora? At what time? That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So here we have a qué hora es la fiesta? At what time is the party? La fiesta es a las 3. So this time we don't use the son. We still use es. So literally the party is at 3 o'clock. Is at.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna ask Nicholas, ¿a qué hora es la fiesta?
La fiesta es la 3.
Muy bien, you're very close. So there's a es a las 3. Es a las 3. It's at. Okay.
Okay.
Es a las 3. Hannah, ¿a qué hora es la fiesta? You're just reading, actually. ¿A qué hora es la fiesta?
La fiesta es a las 3.
Muy bien. Ezekiel, ¿a qué hora es la fiesta? Ezekiel, hey, Ezekiel, please can you hear us? Okay, let's move on. Okay, I don't think this activity sounds like a great one. I don't know what I put here there. But I'm going to send you this assignment to do at home. So that's for this. ¿Qué hora es? Then let me move to the articles for today. Okay. Ahora los artículos. Okay, ahora los artículos. Y sustantivos. So these are articles and nouns. Nouns in español, sustantivos. Please, I hope you have notes, books, and you're writing. Sometimes when you just watch and listen, it doesn't really take as much as it does when you write. So please make sure you write it. So in Spanish, what happens is that every noun is either masculine or feminine. And if you've taken some French before, this is nothing that's going to be strange to you because you know you have les stylos. That's how you put it. Les stylos, les crayons, le boubou de baba. So in Spanish, it's the same thing. Or la règle. Something like that. In Spanish, it's the same thing. So we have the masculine nouns and the feminine nouns. The masculine nouns are marked by the masculine articles. Feminine nouns are marked by the feminine articles. So we have here, por ejemplo, el gato. El gato. So gato is a masculine noun. Mostly for the masculine nouns, they end with O, mostly. I mean, there are lots of exceptions, but mostly for the masculine nouns, they're going to end with O. So we have here el gato. Can you repeat that? El gato.
El gato.
Muy bien. So that means that el is the article, right? Then we have here los gatos. Los gatos. So this is making a plural. So the el, masculine singular, los gatos. Okay? Then we have here la silla. La silla. Can anyone guess the plural for that?
Last. It's the same as.
Come again.
I was saying that it's the same.
So if it's for plural, we still have la silla.
Yes. No.
So plural, we have las sillas. Okay?
Okay.
Las sillas. So let's go back. El gato, los gatos. La silla, las sillas. Okay? So I'm putting an example in the chat. I want you to chat back. If I give you La Gata. Has anybody watched La Gata before? La Gata. What's the plural for La Gata?
Please, how do we identify? So, if it's plural, what happens to it?
So what happens is that you add s to the article and you add s to the noun. So for here, for example, we have la silla. We are adding s to the. Let me see if I can find a pencil.
Yes.
So we are adding s to this and we are adding s to this and we are going to get las sillas.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
But what happens is that if it's the masculine, the L there, it changes totally to los. But then we add S to the gato. You get it? So the L becomes los. But the la becomes las. Then the sia too, we add S to it. Okay? So now we have las sillas. Hannah, is it making sense?
Yes, so whenever there is la sia, anytime it's begin with la, you have to add s to the ends.
Yes. Yes, so you add S to it. I'll explain more into detail. So here, that means the. So this is the. So the. That is what we have the L and the loss. So just take care that for the masculine, we have L. If the masculine is plural, it becomes loss. For the feminine, we have la. Then we have las. Hannah, did you do a little bit of French?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so it's like le, les. I think for French, you still have the same. For French, we still have la, but the la also changes to le, L-E-S. But Spanish is quite different. So we have el, los, then we have la, las. El, los, la, las. All right? So all this means the. El, los, la, las. They all mean the. And then we have come here, we have indefinite articles. So these are definite articles. If I want to point something to you that's very definite, the book, the computer, the glasses, the this, the that. Okay. Then we have here unos, una, unas. It's the same thing, the same concept, but here it means a or an. So a book. Okay. A book becomes let me see if I have any definite way of explaining it more. So then the unos, unas means some. Okay. Uno, unas means some. So I think if we have concrete examples, that will make it easier to understand. So now we have definite. So for the definite, that's what we have. If you're not writing down, you'll be confused because when I skip to the next slide, you don't have access to the previous ones. All right. So for the definite ones, for example, if you have libro, okay, libro, you're going to have el libro, the book, los libros, the books. So the concept is if it's ending in O, it's masculine. If it's ending in A, it's feminine. So we have here el libro, singular, los libros, plural. So we have here casa, casa. Can Nicholas help us with casa?
El casa.
This would be la casa because it's feminine.
Okay. So
So the question is,
okay,
how would you know if it's masculine or it's feminine?
that is it.
So you have to know. It's just like French. If you ask, how would you know? You wouldn't know. You have to know. But what helps? I said at the beginning that mostly, if it's ending in O, it's masculine. If it's ending in A, it's feminine.
Okay.
So that's the trick. So you for now put that in your mind. If it's ending in O, it's masculine. You can use el libro. Okay. But if it's ending in A, then you do it la.
Okay.
All right. So what we have for casa,
La casa.
and the plural.
Las casas.
Muy bien. La casa, las casas. Hannah, cama. Cama.
Cama. La, la cama, las camas.
Muy bien, muy bien. La cama, las camas. Now we have Chico. It's ending with O. Ezekiel, can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. Okay, so Chico, what we have for Chico?
So it will be El Chico, Los Chicos.
Muy bien, el chico, los chicos. Okay, cuaderno, Nicholas, cuaderno. If you don't understand any of them, let me know so I explain what they mean. Casa
Cuaderno.
is house. Cama
Okay.
is bed. Chico is boy. Cuaderno is exercise book.
Wow. Okay, so el cuaderno,
Ujú.
los cuadernos.
Muy bien. El cuaderno, los cuadernos. Muy bien. Hannah, maleta.
La maleta. La maleta. Las maletas.
Muy bien. La maleta, las maletas. Ezekiel, computadora.
La computadora, les computadoras.
Muy bien. So, la computadora, las computadoras. Okay. So this means the book, the books, the house, the houses, the bed, the beds, the boy, the boys, the exercise book, the exercise books. The maleta is luggage. Okay. So
Okay.
the luggage, the luggages, the computer, the computers. All right. Now with the indefinite, that means the e or the an. So now instead of el, we are going to use un and unos. Una and unas. Un, uno. Let me go back so you can see it. Un, unos, una, unas. Un, unos, una, unas. Okay?
Okay, so what's the rule here too?
So come again.
What would be the rule here?
It's the same thing. So it's the same thing, just that one means the and one means e.
Okay.
So if it's ending in O, it's masculine. If it's ending in A, it's feminine. Same idea, okay?
Okay.
So now if you have curso, I want to say a course. A course. Let's start from Ezekiel.
Please, somebody, I
Okay,
need
I can give an example. So
indefinite,
here,
indefinite.
okay, so we are doing the indefinite now. So un curso here is a course, a course. Los unos cursos, like some courses. Okay. So now we have estadio. Estadio. What will we have for estadio? Anybody?
Estadios, estadios.
Muy bien. Entonces, un estadio, unos estadios. Lengua. Anybody, 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 anybody. Lengua.
Ah, so una lengua.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, the other one.
You add
Uh,
S to it. For the,
uh,
yeah.
uh,
Unas.
oh, okay. Unas lenguas.
Muy bien. Entonces,
Okay.
una lengua, unas lenguas. Aquí horario. Un horario, unos horarios. Una prueba, unas pruebas. Una silla, unas sillas. Un escritorio, unos escritorios. So this is definite because you're saying the book. You can equally say a book. If I want to say a book, I'll say un libro. If I want to say some books, I'll say unos libros. So it's just the same thing. You can decide to use the definite or indefinite. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
It's complicated.
It's a but once you keep seeing a lot of examples, it now becomes easier for you. Okay. Seeing a lot of examples. So it now becomes so easy for you to like talk about. Um these exceptions, unlike you, maybe when you go through the slides, then you go to the, but then we have exceptions. So as I said, if it's ending in O, it's masculine. If it's ending in A, it's feminine. That's the general rule. If you have it like that in your mind, it makes life easy for you. Okay. Let me see if I can pull up. Let me do it this way. Let me find some. I'm trying to see if I can just pull from my other slides. My school slides. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Let's take a look. Okay, let me do it this way. A ver, esto lo ayudaría. Okay, so let me pull from this concept as well. Maybe this will make it easier, a little more easier to understand. So here we have, um, oh, so you can see here, the definite ones. El libro, the book. Okay, la pluma, the pen. Los cuadernos, the notebooks. Las ventanas, the window. Just simple. Then unos, the same thing, but then we're having unos. So this time, un libro, a book. Una pluma, a pen. Unos cuadernos, some notebooks. Unas ventanas, some windows. So here, it all means the. Here is some. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. There are other things to that will give you hints, whether they're masculine or feminine. So especially for the feminine, if you know them, that helps you to distinguish them. So for example, if the word ends with a, if the word ends with that, so most of the words ending with that, they are words that you can find in English that are ending with ity. So let me do it this way. This particular class is very technical, but then you'll be fine as time goes on. So all the words that are ity in English. So if I want to say felicity, felicidad.
Oh, okay.
If I want to say university, how would I say it?
Universidad.
Muy bien, universidad. Intensity,
Intensidad.
intensidad. So all the that words are the ity words in English. Okay, and all those ones are feminine. So I'll say la intensidad, la universidad, la felicidad, unity, la unidad. They are all that. They are our that's. All the et words are our that's. So you're going to add la. They are all feminine. You're going to add la to it. Now the same goes for the ion words. If you see any word ending in ion in Spanish, it's feminine. Those ion words are the, or let me say, sion words are the shin in English. Information, información. So we say la información. Okay. Can anyone bring up any shin words in English?
Completion.
Hey, I've not heard that word before. Did you say complexion?
Yes.
Complexion, yeah. So what we have, complexion. So that will be feminine, la complexión. Any other? Muy bien. Any other?
Sanction.
What?
Sanction.
Sanction?
Yes.
Yeah, so we la sanction. That's
Okay.
that's all the shin words. Um um Implementation,
Attention.
la implementación. Okay, la implementación. So in Spanish, all the shin words are the ion. Okay, so we have here la mesa is ending with A, la silla is ending with A. Then we have the ET words, la universidad, la organización, la profesora, referring to a person, right? Then here we have, even though we have O, general, then we have certain words that if it's ending with ma, pa, ta, sometimes it's masculine. But those ones, let's forget about them for now. Then if it's ending with other consonants like L, N, R, generally it's going to be masculine. So if you have the A, you have the that, and you have the eon in mind for the feminine, then give all the rest to the masculine. That will help your life. Okay. Um, these ones are not so necessary. So then, as we've said before, all you need to do is to be adding the S to it, okay? Especially if it ends with a vowel. Just add the S to it to make it plural. If it's ending with a consonant, you add ES to make it, So you have la universidad, las universidades, okay? And then if it's end with Z, you change it to CES. Those are the general rules, the three like general rules in Spanish. So I'm going to pull up, I think there should be something. Yeah, so if these are the three general rules for that. Let me pull up this. And then,
Actividad.
anyone with a question? Hey.
Oh, no. Just applying the activity
Ah,
that.
yeah, you can try it. You see that
Mm.
all of them are sitting in alpha. They're all going to far. Hey, why am I not seeing? Um, okay. Great. Hey, I'm letting you see the answers. So here we can see. So we have. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So here we have L, the same thing I talked about. So we have el, los, la, las, unos, una, unas. Okay. Oh no, this proves a little bit hard. I think I have a simple example somewhere. Somewhere in my class. Just give me a moment. Let me try to pull it out. Okay. I don't know what you're seeing on the screen here. Oh, you're still seeing this one. Okay. So we have here, we're going to change it to a feminine. Okay. So we have here un político. Un político. If you're changing it to feminine, how will we do it?
Unos políticos.
That's great. So that will be the plural for it. Because now we're adding S to it. So that's great. That will be the plural. So unos políticos, some politicians. Un político, a politician. Unos políticos, some politicians. So if you want to make it feminine, the female politician, because these are referring to people. No, we get
Mm,
anyone. So una.
una.
Mhm.
Okay, una politica.
That's
Oh,
great. Una política. Okay.
okay.
Because it's referring to people, so you can have the masculine for them and the feminine for them because it's a person. So a male politician, a female politician. Okay. What of un profesor? A male professor, un profesor, female professor. Anybody? So I should give it to you as homework, eh? Can actually give it to you as homework if you want. Maybe no, I think we have. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. Let's check our ISL collective. Since you're all quiet, I'm going to give that to you as homework.
Oh, wait.
And you probably want to talk, so I'll give it to you as homework. Let's try our hands on this one together. Because this is more so let's do this one and then we can end here. Articles is one of the topics I don't like teaching because I feel it's good, but it gets a lot and it gets a little bit confusing as well. So let's see this. Okay. Okay. I can see some of Nicholas's favorite words here. So we have ta 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 ta. Señora está en ta 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 estación. What is the answer? Do we go for el señora está en lo estación? Lo señora está en la estación. La señora está en la estación. O lo señora está en la estación. What is the correct option? Anyone?
La señora está en la estación.
Muy bien. La señora está en la estación. Why did you go for that option, Hannah?
Okay, because of the ending a,
Mm-hmm.
and then um the the a for the señora, and then
Mm-hmm.
the sion, the
Muy
the
bien.
end.
Yes.
Yes.
So that's exactly it. So the señora is ending with A is giving us the hints that it may be, feminine, all right? Then estación, we've already said that if the sion words are all feminine, they are all feminine. So that's great. That's great. Okay. La señora introduce moneda en máquina. La señora introduce moneda en máquina. Anyone? Anyone?
Mm,
No, I think this should be easy.
yes, it's la.
Yes. They are all ending in A. La,
Yes.
can you read the entire listing? Reading helps you to losing your tongue on the language. So
Okay. La señora introduce la moneda en la máquina.
muy bien. La señora introduce la moneda en la máquina. Muy bien. Ok. La señora come galleta y lee el periódico. Come is eat, okay? So it wants to say the woman eats the biscuit and reads the newspaper. Nicholas, can you take this for us?
So, la señora come
Ujú.
la galeta y, y lee
Lee,
el periódico.
sí. La señora come la galleta. We said double L is Y. Galleta y lee el periódico. Okay. Ok. El tata no oye porque escucha música. Anybody?
El chico
Ujú.
no oye porque escucha las música.
Porque escucha.
Las
We are going
la
for this.
music la música.
La música. Okay.
La
La
música.
música.
Okay.
Mm. It cannot be last because if it lasts, it means that there is S at the end of the música. Right?
Oh,
But
yeah.
this is singular, so la música. Muy bien. Ya, 4 more to go. Ok, la señora se sienta en silla y señor le pide billete. This is just both of you also. You see that one person talks for the other.
Mm,
Oh, easy peasy. Oh.
okay.
Yeah.
La señora. Okay, Nicholas.
No, 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 no. Please go on.
La, la señora se sienta en la silla y el señor le pide el billete.
Yeah, that's correct. La señora se siente en la silla. We've already looked at la silla, right? So la, we
Yeah.
know the first one is la. El señor, because it's ending with R, a consonant. And the feminine of that is la señora. So if you don't have, if it's not el señor, it's la señora. This woman sitting there is la señora. The man who
Oh,
was
okay.
asking for the ticket is el señor. Mister, the man. El señor. Then billete is ending with E. So technically, we are going to give it to masculine. Okay. Let's
Okay.
give it to masculine. If to be on the safe side, give the E one to masculine. Unless you know that that particular word is feminine, but if not, yeah, just give it to masculine. So we go with this. Great. 5 more. This one, Nicholas, you're answering it.
Eish.
Oh, this is easy.
Oh,
Uncle Nicholas.
yes, ma'am. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, las galetas de la señora están en el bolso.
Muy bien. Las galletas, again, double L E Y. Okay.
Okay.
Las. I know it'll take a while. It's good I keep reminding so that to stick. So las galletas de la señora están en el bolso. Totally correct. Totally correct. Okay. 2 more to go.
Wow.
Anna, this is your turn.
Okay. Nicola should answer it. He has not been answering so much.
Okay, Nicholas. They're all easy. El chico pone ta 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 teléfono en ta 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 chaqueta.
Okay, el chico pone el teléfono en la chaqueta.
Muy bien. El chico pone el teléfono en la chaqueta. En la chaqueta. Easy peasy. Last one. Uncle Nick. Mhm.
Wow.
Nick, this one is for you.
La tren sale de la estación.
They're very close. Estación, la estación is correct. Now, tren is ending with a consonant. And it's not ion. So what's the best option we'll go for?
El tren
Yeah,
sale
el
de.
tren. So if it's not ending in A and then it's ending with a consonant, our best choice will now be the masculine. Okay.
Okay.
El
Okay.
tren. El tren sale de la estación. This one's what helps is that the more you're getting accustomed to words in Spanish, the more you're reading in Spanish, you are going to know them. So don't worry, but it's just that for you to know what it means and how to use them. All right?
All right.
Great. Okay. So that be 100% my idea. So that will be the end of the class today. It's quite a lot because doing the time and doing this as well, it's quite a lot. But then we'll end it here and I'm going to put the homework. YouTube. I'll be waiting for you to read and record the passage. I don't know if anybody did because I've not even listened to the audios.
Mm.
But I'll send you I'll also send the other one to it, this one. I don't know whether I can see. So that you do them by tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow, God willing, we're doing, let me open the slide and see what we're doing. Tomorrow we're doing, we are now entering into the real deals. Because all what we have been doing is just intro. So now we will now be learning how to form sentences and all that. So please, we are getting to the flesh of the whole the thing ankasa. And we start forming sentences and speaking more. So please try as much as possible to be here tomorrow. And
Okay.
well, we will call it a day today and have a great evening.
You too.
Please don't forget to
Ciao.
share.
You wanted to say something?
Please don't forget to share the recording.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you. All right. Ciao.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana. Muy bien.